Okay, dear students, in this class we will see from 11th question onwards. Why? Because in the last class we have finished 10th question. Okay, 11th problem and all we will see. We will continue. Okay, see 11th question. Let S, set S is having ABC as element. Set T is having 1, 2, 3 as elements. Okay, these two are sets. Find F inverse. He see here F. F is function only, but because he has rather than small letter, he has taken capital letter. F inverse, function inverse of the following functions F. So here he has given F from S to T. That means S to T function is there. A to B like. If you take this S, A, this is B. Like that you have to think from S to T. That means this is domain, this is codomain. Okay. If it exists, function inverse, how it exists? For invertible, it should be 1 1 and onto. Okay, if any function 1 1 and onto is there, then that is invertible. Then we can write inverse also. B to A. Okay. Okay. Now these are two functions. One by one we will take. Okay. One by one we take and we write the function. Okay, you see, first you write like this. F is from S to T. This is very important. Okay. For invertible function should be 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto. Okay. If invertible, comma, F inverse is T to S. Is it correct? First you think. Why? Because see, function is from S to T, he only given. From S to T. That is why we have to write like this function. Rather than small letter, we have taken capital letter. Now for invertible function, for invertible, you put comma here. For invertible, function should be 1 1 and onto. Okay, 1 1 and onto it should be. If invertible, F inverse is equal to T to S. S to T is function, T to S is inverse. Okay. Let us see first write that function, first function 1. Number 1, F is equal to A comma 3 comma B comma 2 comma C comma 1. Now you tell me, without drawing arrow diagram, can we confirm that this is a 1 1 and onto function? Why? Because see, you can save time also. These are only 3 elements are there. 3 elements means 3 elements in domain and 3 elements in codomain. Okay. Now you see A, B, C. In x coordinate they have not repeated. Okay. That means not many one. Here 3, 2, 1. Here also all occupied. That means this is 1 1 and onto. Or else you can write also arrow diagram. That is not a what we can say bad thing. You can write arrow diagram. You write S, you write T. Okay. Now you write function F and A, B, C. Here 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you see the connections. How they have given connections. A to 3 they have given. A to 3. B to 2. C to 1. Okay. Now you tell me, this is 1 1. Yes, 1 1. 3 is having only one pre-image. A 1 is having only one pre-image. 2 is having only one pre-image. That is why this is 1 1. Onto, yes, onto also. Why? Because see, all have been occupied here. Domain, codomain and range is equal. You write like this: 1 1 and onto. 1 1 onto. Okay. Because this is 1 1 and onto, F is 1 1 and onto. Therefore invertible. Okay. F inverse is equal to T to S. That's all. Then you write F inverse. F inverse is equal to T to S means T is what? See here, T is this one. 1A. 1C, sorry, 1C, 2B, 3A. Okay, just you have to reverse this one. 1C, 2B, 3A. This is your answer for this first part. You understand now? Why? Because the 1 1 and onto, if it is there, then only it is invertible, or else it is not invertible. Like that you have to write. Go for second one also here. Go for second one. Okay. Now for second one also you write. See, this you need not repeat again. Once you have written, means this is applicable for your answer up to here. Okay, F inverse. Now you go for 2 onwards. 2 is F is equal to, say, A2 comma B1 comma C1. Okay, now here also you need not draw, but even then if you draw, it is very, what we can say, good to understand for you. This arrow diagram. Say this is S to T. See, function is from S to T. Okay, now you write A, B, C, but here 1, 2, 3. Okay, now second function, how they have given relations. A to T, A to 2, B to 1, C to 1. C also having relation with 1, but 3 is not having any relation. That means this is not onto. Okay, not onto means, see, for invertible it should be 1 1 and onto. But here many one is also there. See, B to C, B to 1, C to 1. That means 1 is having 2 pre-images. Okay. That is why this is not invertible. When it is not invertible, inverse doesn't exist. That's all. We have to write the same thing. Okay. Now you see what we have to write. F is not 1 1 and not onto. You write like this. F is not 1 1 and not onto. Therefore, not invertible. There is no inverse exists. You understand now? Why? Because this is not 1 1. Here 1 1 and onto, that is why we have made inverse. Here not 1 1 and onto, that is why we cannot make inverse. Not invertible, no inverse exists. Okay? Let us go for 12th question. Okay. See the 12th question. Carefully you understand this question. Okay. What they have written and all, or else we are unable to answer the question. Okay. You see now, consider the binary operations. See here 2 binary operations are there. One is star, another one is O. O is also binary operation. For this problem only, question only we will take, or else normally star is the binary operation. In special cases they represent like that. Consider the binary operation star R cross R to R. We know A cross A to A is binary operation. B cross B to B. R cross R to R. Okay? Star. O, R cross R to R. Another binary operation, O. That is also from R to R to R. Okay? That means all real numbers. Real numbers you can give. Defined as A star B is equal to A minus B modulus. Modulus of A minus B. See here star is modulus. We can say modulus. Modulus of minus. You have to make A minus B, but modulus you have to keep. Okay? That is there. O is AOB is equal to A. That means if you take 2 numbers, then first number is the result. That is the second operation O. For all AB belongs to R, we know very well this. Even if we write or not, that we will take. Show that star is commutative. That means this operation we have to show that it is commutative but not associative. That operation we should show that it is not associative. Which one? Star. O is associative but not commutative. The operation O, this is peculiar operation. AOB is equal to A. That operation we have to show that first associative. Then we should show that it is not commutative. Okay. Then further show that for all ABC belongs to R. This is inverse. Inverse A means for all. For all. That means ABC all belongs to R. A star BOC is equal to A star B O A star C. That means here distribution of star on O. See outside this parenthesis outside operation, that operation is distributing on this O, BOC, A star B O, A star C. Okay, that we have to show that. Afterwards he is asking, does O distributes over star? That means, what is this meaning? Here you have to replace star with O. O distribution on star. Here star will go. That we will make, and we have to see. He is asking whether it is possible or not. Like, we will see. We will take some examples. We will see if possible. Yes. If not possible, no, not possible. Like that we will do. Justify also as written. I have not written justify. Okay. This is the question. Okay. Let us tackle one by one. Okay. First we take one operation. Before that we take. Let us take A is equal to 2, 3, 4 or something like. We have to take like that. Okay. Let us take like that. Okay. Now you see, let A is equal to 2, comma, B is equal to 3, comma, C is equal to 4. These three elements we will apply for all the operations. Okay, all the operations. That means you see star, O and commutative, associative, for both, distributive, all we will apply this 2, 3, 4 only. Why? Because see, it has to obey if it is there. You understand, na? Okay. Now you see, first we take star for commutative, but before that star you write A star B. A star B is equal to modulus of A minus B. Okay. Now you write for commutative. Why? Because see, first he asked star, show that star is commutative. For commutative, comma, A star B should equal to B star A. This we know. Okay. A star B should equal to B star A. Okay. Now A star B means what? 2 star 3, or else you take LHS. You write LHS. Why? Because A star B is equal to B star A. First you take LHS is equal to A star B. That is equal to 2 star 3. That is equal to 2 minus 3 modulus. Why? Because A is 2, B is 3. 2 star 3 means modulus of A minus B. 2 minus 3. What will come here? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 means 1 only. That's all. 1 will come. Okay. Directly I have written. Okay. Now you take another one. RHS you take. RHS is equal to B star A. RHS is B star A. B star A is equal to 3 star 2. That means 3 minus 2 modulus. That is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Modulus of 1 is 1. Okay, now you tell me, is it commutative or not? Yes, commutative. Why? Because LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore commutative. Write that one. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore commutative. Okay. See, one thing we have proved. Show that this is commutative. Yes, commutative. Now you write for associative also. Not associative is there, but you carefully you write for associative. First you write that formula for associative. For associative, what will be there? Associative, A star B star C should equal to A star B star C. Okay, this has to be equal. We have to make equal. You take first LHS. LHS is equal to A star B star C. That is equal to what? A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. Directly you apply. That means 2 star 3 star 4. Okay. You continue here. 2 star 3 star 4. Okay. First you do this operation 2 star 3. Okay. 2 star 3 how much? Modulus of 2 minus 3 star 4. That is equal to 1. Already we have received this one. This is 1. 2 star 3. Here you see this is 1. Okay. 1 directly we have written. 1 star 4 means how much? 1 minus 4 modulus. Okay. Modulus of 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3. Modulus of minus 3, 3. That's all. You write 3. Okay, that means LHS has come 3. Now you go for RHS also. RHS is equal to, RHS is what? A star B star C. A star B star C, that is equal to, A is how much? This we know, 2 star 3 star 4. Okay, that is equal to 2 star you keep outside, but 3 star 4, modulus of 3 minus 4. That means 2 star. Now you tell me 3 star 4 means how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 modulus 1. That's all. 2 star 1. That is equal to modulus of 2 minus 1. Modulus of 2 minus 1 means what? 1. 1 only will come. 1. But is 3 and 1 are equal? Not equal. See, here 3 is there, here 1 is there. LHS is 3, RHS is... LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore not associative. Not associative. Again you write star is commutative but not associative. You understand, na? Star is commutative but not associative. Then star story over. Now we go for O. O is associative but not commutative. O first you write function. Function you have to write O. Like this, A, O, B. See, let A, 2, 3, 4 all we will take. But A, O, B is equal to A. A, O, B is equal to A. Okay? Now you write for associative. For associative, A star B, sorry, not star, here A, O, B. Now operation has been changed. A, O, B, O, C should equal to A, O, B, O, C. Is it okay? Now you see A, O, B, O, C should equal to A, O, B, O, C. Okay, now you write LHS. LHS is equal to A, O, B, O, C. That is equal to A is how much? 2, 3, 4. These only you have to take. That means 2, O, 3, O, 4. That is equal to 2, O, 3. How much it will come? A, O, B means A will come. B, O, A means B will come. First letter it has to come. 2, O, 3 means 2, O, 4. 2, O, 4. 2, O, 4. 2, O, 4 means again what will come? 2 will come. Okay, this is LHS. We go for RHS. Okay, we go for RHS also. Okay, that is LHS. You go for RHS. RHS is equal to, I am writing here again. Okay, you see RHS is equal to this one, AO BOC. AO BOC. That is equal to A is 2O 3O 4. That is equal to 2O like that only. But you tell me 3O 4 means how much it will come? 3O 4 means 3 only will come. Why? Because first letter has to come. First letter A. 2O3. 2O3 means how much it will come? 2 only will come. Okay, now is it associated to LHS and RHS? Yes, both are same. You see here 2 is there, LHS, so RHS also 2 is there. That means you write LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore associative. Okay, that means O operation is associative. This is first time we are seeing peculiar function. Function is not commutative but associative is asking, but commutative we have not yet seen. But until now we have seen that whether any function if not a commutative means that is not going to be associative. This is a peculiar function. Okay, you write now for commutative. For commutative. Okay, commutative AOB should equal to BOA. Is it correct? This formula? Yes. You write LHS then. LHS is equal to AOB, that is equal to 2O3, that is equal to 2. Okay. Now RHS is equal to BOA, that is equal to 3O2, that is equal to 3. So because first letter we have to take. Is it equal? Not equal. Then you write LHS is equal to not is equal to RHS, therefore not commutative. See, this function is not commutative but associative. Now finally you write like star is O is associative but not commutative. Okay, O is associative but not commutative. Like that you have to write. See, up to where we have completed this one. Yes, sir. Star is commutative but not associative. O is commutative. O is associative but not commutative. Up to here we have finished. Now we have to go for further show that. Further show that we go. That we will. I will do here. Okay. 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 Further show that ABC already we have taken. A star BOC should equal to A star BO, A star C. This also we have to see. Write that first formula. A star BOC is equal to A star BOC is equal to A star B O A star C. Okay. This we have to see. First you write LHS. LHS is equal to A star BOC, that is equal to A is how much? 2. 2 star 3O4. Is it okay? 2 star 3O4. Okay. Now you write again, that is equal to 2 star 3O4 means 3 only. That's all. 2, 3 means modulus of 2 minus 3. That is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 modulus means 1. That means LHS 1 has come here. Okay. Now you go for RHS also. RHS. RHS is big one, but you do the same. RHS is equal. First you write that RHS. A star B O A star C. That is equal to A is 2. We know. 2 star 3 O 2 star 4. Okay. Now you tell me 2 star 3 means what? 2 star 3 means modulus of. Okay, right. Modulus of 2 minus 3 O modulus of 2 minus 4. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 1. That's all. 1. O 2 minus 4 minus 2, modulus of minus 2, 2. 2. Okay. 1 over 2 means 1 will come. Okay. Now what is LHS and what is RHS? LHS is 1, RHS is 1. Okay. You write like this. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, A star BOC is equal to A star B O A star C. LHS is equal to RHS. You write like this. A star B OC is equal to A star B O A star C. Okay. This you have to write. Further show that A star BOC is equal to A star B or B star C, distribution of star and O. That also you write. Star is distributive. Star is distributive on O. That you write. What we have to see now, O is distributive on star or not. Okay. Star is distributive on O. Now we finish it up to here. Again he is asking, does O distribute on O on star? That also I will say. Okay, now I am going to remove this one. I will do here. That also we have to see whether that is distributive on star or not. O is distributive on star or not. Like that. Okay. Okay. O distribution on star. O distribution on star. Okay, I have written like this. You see now, O distribution on star means the same formula you have to change. How I am changing, you see. AO B star C, that is equal to AOB star AOC. Now you compare earlier statement or formula or axiom, this to this. Star O, O star, star O, O star O. Okay, now we have to see that O distribution on star. Let us see. LHS you take first. LHS. LHS is equal to AO B star C. That is equal to A means 2, O 3 star 4. That is equal to 2O 3 star 4 means modulus of 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 modulus 1. 2O 1. That is equal to 2. Okay. Now you go for RHS. RHS is equal to, entire this thing you have to write. AOB star AOC. That is equal to 2O3 star 2O4. Okay, C is 2O4. That's all. 2O3 star 2O4. Okay, now you write. O means first letter will come. 2 star. Again O means first letter. 2 star 2. That is equal to modulus of 2 minus 2. Why? Because star means modulus. That is equal to 0. 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore not distributive. You write something. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore 0 is, O is not distributive on star. Here star is distributive on O, but O is not distributive on star. Why? Because LHS, RHS both changed. This is answer for your 12th question. Let us go for 13th question. Okay, see the 13th question. What they have given? Given a non-empty set X, let star, that means this is binary operation, power set of X, Px is power set of X cross power set of X to power set of X. Okay, be defined as A star B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. Here binary operation format is this one. Original binary operation is this one. A star B means A minus B union B minus A. A star E means A minus E union E minus A. Like that we have to see. AB belongs to Bx, that we know already. This is statement they have given problem. What they are asking, show that empty set phi is the identity. That means identity we have to show that phi is the identity. Phi means empty set, null set, void set. Okay, for this operation, and all the elements of A in Px are invertible with A inverse is equal to A. That means here inverse also, A inverse should be A, like we have to show. We know identity how to write, inverse how to write. We will write that format and we will show LHS is equal to RHS. If you prove, then that will suffice your answer. Okay, let us write one by one. See, format we need not write again. Why? Because binary operation Px cross Px to Px only it will come. We write operation once again. Rather than format, we write operation. Okay, now we write like this. A star B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. This is very essential for us. Okay, now we go for identity first. Why? Because identity he has given. Identity given identity comma E is equal to 5. Identity will take E only, na? What is that format? Identity format. Again we write Actually, see, A star E is equal to A, that is equal to E star A. This is the format for identity. Okay. But here what we write, according to A we write. Here small letter is not coming, A is coming, big letter. That is why what we write, identity A star E is equal to A, that is equal to E star A. Is it correct? You compare these two. Okay. Now you go for this one. A star E means E he has given 5. Then you write A star 5. Okay. A star 5. 5. It should come A. LHS I have taken A star 5. Okay. Now A star 5, what you have to write? A star 5. Again, you write again. A star 5 is equal to A. 5 star A. Now you write A star 5 is equal to A star B means this much you have to write. A star 5 means same thing you write. A minus 5 union 5 minus A. Is it correct? You compare this one. Okay? Now you go. Now A minus 5. A minus 5 means what will come? A only will come. Why? Because see, 5 is null set. That means A minus 5 is equal to A union 5 minus A. 5 will come. That's all. That is equal to A. Proved. Okay. A has come. This is proved. Now we go for this also. E star A. E star A. That is equal to E minus 5, sorry, E is 5. E star A is equal to, you write E star A is equal to 5 star A. But see, this was over. A star E is equal to A, we have shown A. Okay, you underline this. Now we are showing E star A is also A like. If that shows, then 50% of your problem is going to be solved. 5 star A. 5 star A means what? 5 minus A union 5 minus A minus 5, that is equal to 5 minus A 5 union A minus 5 A, that is equal to A union 5 A. That means both we have shown. Okay, therefore identity is equal to, show that empty set is the identity as above. See, as above you write like this, as above 5 is the identity. As above 5 is the identity. Why? Because see, in both areas after putting 5 that equation has been satisfied. That's all. Now 50% of your problem has been over. Now we go for inverse. Elements of A in Px are invertible with A inverse is equal to A. Here A inverse should be A like we have to show. How we are showing, you observe carefully. Okay. Now here given identity is equal to E. For identity you write here like this, for identity element. Okay, like this. Here also for inverse. Okay, for inverse what we know normally, see here A will come, inverse E will come. Okay, now we know like this, A star B is equal to E, that is equal to B star A. First this was the statement for inverse. You observe first the statement or equation. A is an element, B is inverse of A. That means here B is equal to A inverse. What is E? E is identity element. Identity element here is 5. 5 only you have to write. Okay. First you write that statement, then we write remaining thing. Okay. For inverse, I am writing like this. You see, A star A inverse. Why? Because B is A inverse. A star A inverse is equal to E, that is equal to A inverse star A. Is it correct? The statement again we have to modify it. First you see, compare this one. A is A, B is A star A inverse. Why? Because A inverse. E is E only. Why? Because see here for identity A will come. For inverse E will come in center. A inverse star A. Okay, now we go further. Okay, now let us take A star A inverse is equal to E. A star A inverse is equal to E. Again you write like this. A star A inverse is equal to E means here 5. That is equal to A inverse star A. Okay. Now you take first LHS. So how I am writing carefully you observe. Okay. A star A is equal to 5 means no. First you A star A you write, then operation also you write. We have forgotten to write operation. Operation means this one. A minus B, that means A minus A inverse union A inverse minus A. You understand na? A star A inverse A minus A inverse union A inverse minus A. That you have to write. Okay. Now this has to become empty set. For becoming A union B equal to 5, both A and B must be 5. This statement you have to write anyway. Why? Because you see, for becoming A union B is equal to 5, both A and B must be 5, or else it is not possible. How it is possible? You tell me. By making union of two sets you are making union, but answer is coming 5. That means both are 5. Then only it is possible. Two sets you are making union, and one set is coming result means another set is 5. Okay, like that this is a logic. For becoming A union B is equal to 5, both A and B must be 5. Now you write. Therefore, A minus A union is equal to 5 and A inverse minus A is equal to 5. Okay, this should be 5, this should be 5. That means 5 union 5 is equal to 5 will come. Okay, this is over. Again another one you write. For becoming A minus B is equal to 5, comma A is equal to B. This is another statement. See, two sets are there. A minus B, that is equal to 5 is coming, means what? Both are equal sets. A minus B is equal to A minus A. That means B is equal to A is equal to B. Then only it is possible. Yes. Then by this statement you can write finally, therefore A is equal to A inverse. That is what we have proved. Okay, A is equal to A inverse. Even if we take A inverse A also, same thing is going to come. That is why we need not take unnecessary wastage of time. Therefore A is equal to A inverse. Now we have finished this 13th question. Let us go for 14th question. Okay, see the 14th question. What they have written. Okay, carefully observe. Define a binary operation star on the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say this is a limited elements set. Limited elements set means some special operations should be there. Normal operations plus minus division multiplication not possible, not becoming binary operation. Why? Because see 2 into 3 6, 2 plus 3 1 plus 5 6. 6 is not there. That is why this is not going to become binary operation for normal operations. That is why some special operations they will make. What is the special operation? You see, A star B is equal to A plus B if A plus B is less than 6. Here plus operation is there. That means 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Okay, 6 comes means A plus B minus 6. Minus 6 you have to make. Minus 6 if you make, 0 will come. 0 means it is there. That is why this is okay. Maximum number what will come? 5. A plus B, 5 plus 5. Why? Because Cartesian, na? A, B you have to take, then we have to keep 1 up after operation. A star, A cross A to A. 5 cross 5 means 5 plus 5, 10 will come. 10 is not there. That is why 10 minus 6 you make. 4 is there. That is why this is valid binary operation. Okay, this is operation they have given. But what question they are asking? Show that 0 is the identity. First we have to show 0 is identity for this operation. Okay. Then inverse also is given. Each element of set, you see invertible like is telling, and inverse also is giving. Show that inverse has 6 minus A. That also we have to show. Okay, let us go for one by one. First you write for identity. Identity 0. He has given identity. For identity. See, first you write operation. A star B is equal to A plus B at A plus B is less than 6. A plus B minus 6 at A plus B is greater than or equal to 6. Okay? Okay. Now you write identity for identity. Why? Because first we have to see identity story for identity. See here small a we will take no bar for identity. What is identity formula? A star E is equal to A, that is equal to E star A. E is equal to 0 as given. That means identity, show that 0 is the identity. That 0 we have to take and how to show 0 as given. That means this formula is going to become like this. A star E, 0. A star 0 is equal to A, that is equal to 0 star A. This is formula. Why? Because see, A has to come in between. This identity 0 they have given. A star 0 is equal to A, E star A is equal to 0 star A is equal to A, it has to come. Okay. Now this is format, but what is star? Star we have to like this. Okay. Now you tell me 0 if you add. See here A is 0, B is identity. You have to write like this. Okay. A plus B means A plus 0. Okay. Star means 0 plus only. A star B means A plus B. Okay. If it is more than 6 or 6, then minus you have to make. But is it going to become more than 6? You see, A, if you keep 5, also 5 plus 0, 5 only will come. Then only top one is going to applicable. That means A plus 0 is equal to what will going to happen? A. That's all. Why? Because see, this is less than 6 only. You see, A is maximum 5. 5 plus 0 is in bracket you can write 5 plus 0 is less than 6 in bracket. This is in bracket. Okay, or else you need not write. A plus 0 is equal to A. Okay, A has come. You see again this one also. E star A. E star A is equal to 0 star A, that is equal to 0 plus A. That is also less than 0 only. Therefore 0 plus A is equal to A. You write here. See 0 plus 0 star A also A has come. A star 0 also A has come. That is why proved for identity. Identity as 0 has been proved. That's all. Okay. Identity 50% of the question over. Identity we have proved. Then go for inverse. Inverse also we will see. For inverse again you write for inverse. What is the inverse statement like this? Inverse statement is A star B is equal to E, that is equal to B star A. Here B is inverse. Okay. Now you change this statement. What you are going to change? A star B is equal to 0, that is equal to B star A. Okay. Now you take the statement A plus B is equal to, A plus B minus 6 is equal to 0. It has to become, not become, wait. What I am writing, you see, A star B means now I take this one. A star B is equal to A plus B minus 6. Okay. Now I write like this. A plus B minus 6 is equal to 0. LHS I have taken. RHS also B plus A minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. B star A, this one. A star B is this one. I have made commas. You understand na? Now you see B is equal to 6 minus A. Is it okay? You see B is equal to 6 minus A. Why? Because 6 that side will go and A that side will go minus. Again here also B is equal to 6 minus A. Is it okay? You see there? From how it has come, this is statement only. A star B is equal to A star B have converted, B star A have converted, that's all. Okay. Now we apply this and we see whether this is going to satisfy our condition or not. Why? Because see, for this 0 you should not take, A should not be 0. Okay. See now this is inverse. Okay, same operation we will prove again. A star B is equal to 0 has to come. A star B is equal to, A means, let us take 1. See here 0 should not take. 1 you take. Let A is equal to 1. That means 1 star B. That is equal to B is how much? B is equal to 6 minus 1. That is equal to 5. That means 1 star 5. 1 star 5 should come 0. Okay. 1 star 5 is equal to 1 plus 5 minus 6. You see 1 plus 5 minus 6. That is equal to 6 minus 6. That is equal to 0. Now 0 has come. Okay. Now you take for 5 also. I am doing this here. 5. Okay. Let A is equal to 5. Okay. Then A star B is equal to 5 star B. Okay. B how much it will come? 6 minus A. 6 minus A means here 5. 5, that is equal to 1 will come. That means A star B is equal to 5 star 1. Okay. That means see A star B is equal to, what is this? A plus B minus 6. That is equal to 5 plus 1 minus 6. That is equal to 6 minus 6. That is equal to 0. 0 has come. Hence proved. Inverse. Hence proved inverse is 6 minus A. Like that you write and close this problem. Okay. We have finished the 14th problem. Next class onwards we do 15th, 19 problems are there. 15th onwards we will do in the next class. Thank you very much.